It looks like we might have a little more information, or at least people are hoping they'll have a little more information regarding this take private, don't take private saga that's been going on over the last couple of days. Perhaps we'll have that early next week. Here's where things stand in terms of Tesla's board and Elon Musk and whether or not there are some actual active discussions about taking the company private. The board will be meeting with financial advisors next week. They'll discuss this issue. They've also asked Elon Musk to have his own financial advisors. Will he recuse himself from the talks? Remember, Michael Dell recused himself from discussions of Dell's board when they were discussing about going private. Will Musk do the same with Tesla? And is there a detailed plan? Remember, as you take a look at shares of Tesla, and it's been on a wild ride this week, because on Tuesday, he tweeted out that there was funding secured if he wanted to take the company private at $420 a share. And yet, there's been no indication that there's an actual detailed plan. Now, there may be, and we just haven't heard about it yet. We're certainly not hearing about it from Tesla or from Elon Musk. David Einhorn, who has, he's been a source of tweets from Elon Musk in the past. Well, remember a couple of weeks ago, Elon Musk made a comment about the shorts. Einhorn tweeted back today, "I want to thank Elon Musk for the shorts. He is a man of his word. They did come with some manufacturing defects." Just a little dig there at Elon Musk and at Tesla. If you take a look at a one-year chart of Tesla shares, remember that we have also not heard anything from the SEC or from Tesla regarding inquiries that the SEC is making or has made regarding the tweet on Tuesday or other past tweets from Elon Musk. So we still have more questions than answers at this point, guys. But next week, we could perhaps see a little more clarity regarding this issue of the company going private.
Now, Phil, Elon Musk is a man in production hell with this car, and yet he's sending these tweets, and he's also finding time to send shorts to David Einhorn. What is the impact on investors, you think, in this company where Elon Musk himself has become just the key guy, the key ingredient here to the valuation of this company?
John, I think the retail investor, anybody who's actively investing in Tesla, and I know some friends who they own Tesla shares and others who have invested in this company. You go into this fully aware that you are getting more than just a CEO focused on his company. You will get somebody who will weigh in on other issues outside of Tesla, outside of auto industry, transportation-related matters. Whether or not that is wise, I've talked with a lot of people in the auto industry who said, look, he needs a COO. He needs somebody who is focused on hitting the benchmarks, hitting the production targets, and delivering what people expect from Tesla. But we already know. Elon Musk made it clear he is not going to have a COO. He is the man running the company. Whether you like it or not, this is his style. And if you're an investor, you should not be waking up to this now. You should know this for a while.
Phil, people joking on Twitter this morning because the SEC Boston official account writes, "What's an 8K? How to read an 8K? What information is disclosed in an 8K? Wonder no more, find the answers here." What happens if we go several more weeks, several more days, and don't get one?
Good question. There's no shortage of people who are familiar with SEC inquiries who have said at some point they may come out and formally say, look, there is a formal investigation going on at this point. Because so far, what we've heard has been reports that they have asked Tesla for information. But there's been no indication that this is a formal investigation at this point.